Number 1. 1978 Ford F250 4x4, $5,000, Morrison, Colorado. This well-used Ford F250 has an odometer rolled over past 500,000 miles, showing its long history of daily work duty. It comes with a manual transmission, 8-cylinder power, and 4-wheel drive. Some rust is present, but numerous spare body and engine parts are included. At this price, it is an honest workhorse with classic late 70s Ford styling. Number 2. 1984 Ford F250 4x4, $2,895, Forest Grove, Oregon. Fitted with a 1990 7.3-liter IDI diesel engine and automatic transmission, this 4-wheel drive F250 runs and carries a clean title. With 150,000 miles and current registration, it represents an affordable entry into classic diesel ownership. Its low asking price reflects its age, but makes it attractive to enthusiasts of Ford's durable 8th-generation pickups. Number 3. 1963 Ford Econoline 5-window pickup, $3,000, Berkeley, California. This first-generation Econoline pickup is a rare sight. It is a non-running project with a 6-cylinder engine that requires a full rebuild, including the bottom end. The truck has straight bumpers, working lights, and an intact interior, though the bed has rust holes and dents. At $3,000, it appeals to collectors seeking an unusual early compact pickup. Number 4. 1979 Chevrolet C10, $4,000, Boise, Idaho. This Chevrolet C10 runs and drives very well, with both engine and automatic transmission recently rebuilt. It also features new tires, brake booster, radiator, and heater core. The odometer is broken and rolled over, showing only 10,000 miles. A clean, usable square body at a fair price, it is ready for daily driving or further restoration. Number 5. 1977 Ford Transit truck, $4,950, Tarzana, California. A rare German-built Ford Transit, never originally sold in the United States. This truck runs its 2.4-liter V4 diesel with 4-speed manual transmission very well. It has faded factory paint with surface oxidation, but no structural rust. Previously used as a picture vehicle in film and television, it carries unique provenance. At under $5,000, it is ideal for Ford collectors. Number 6. 1970 Chevrolet C10, $2,700, Aurora, Colorado. This C20 project truck includes a newly rebuilt 350 cubic inch V8 and automatic transmission, but it does not currently run. It requires crank work and finishing assembly. Rust is noted in the rocker panels. At $2,700, it is a builder's truck with good potential from Chevrolet's well-regarded late 60s styling. Number 7. 1983 Chevrolet K20 4x4, $3,450, Vancouver, Washington. This 3/4-ton four-wheel drive square body features a strong-running 350 V8 paired with a firm-shifting 700R4 automatic transmission. The four-wheel drive and accessories work properly. Body rust is present in typical locations. At $3,450, it is a mechanically solid truck with investment potential as values for square bodies continue to rise. Number 8. 1950 Studebaker 3/4-ton pickup, $10,000, Reno, Nevada. A nicely restored Studebaker with a rebuilt 6-cylinder engine, 3-on-the-tree manual transmission, new clutch, brakes, suspension, and interior. It runs and stops well, with no rust and a clean title. At $10,000 is a strong example of post-war American pickup design, increasingly rare in solid condition. Number 9. 1968 Ford Ranchero, $6,000, Bellingham, Washington. Powered by a 351 V8 with a 2-barrel carburetor and automatic transmission, this Ranchero runs and drives well. It features semi-new red paint, working air conditioning, Bluetooth stereo, and a new steering gearbox. Originally from Arizona, it shows limited rust. At $6,000, it offers both utility and muscle car styling in one package. Number 10. 1966 Ford F100, $8,500, Pittsburg, California. This short bed F100 includes a V8 engine with power steering and power brakes, but it requires a fuel pump to run. The truck is out of the DMV system and is listed at $8,500. It is a desirable mid-60s Ford pickup, ideal for restoration into a reliable driver or show truck. Number 11. 1967 Chevrolet C10, $6,000, Parks, Arizona. This Arizona truck is mostly rust-free except for minor rocker rust. It has a V6 305 engine paired with a 4-speed manual transmission, but the engine is no longer usable. At $6,000, it represents a solid short bed project with minimal rust, an excellent base for a V8 swap or full custom build. Number 12. 1968 Ford F350 Ranger XLT 4x4, $6,900, Alamosa, Colorado. A rare four-wheel drive short bed with automatic transmission, this F350 runs and comes with a winch and snowplow. It shows 150,000 miles and has a broken odometer. At $6,900, it is both a collectible truck and a functional piece of equipment for rugged use. Number 13. 1978 Chevrolet Silverado C10 4x4, $8,500, Salinas, California. Equipped with a 383-stroker V8, 456 gears, lockers, and 4-inch lift, this square-body Silverado is mechanically strong and reliable. It wears heavy rust, but no cab leaks. Additional features include Super Swamper tires and weld wheels. Priced at $8,500, it is a powerful off-road project with rising collector interest. Number 14, 1972 Ford Courier, $6,500, Seattle, Washington. This baby blue Courier is mostly original, with a manual transmission and 4-cylinder engine. It comes with spare parts, manuals, and accessories. As a third-owner vehicle with 170,000 miles, it is a charming early compact pickup, valued by enthusiasts of 70s Japanese-built Ford trucks. Number 15, 1995 Ford F250, $650, Salem, Oregon. A salvage titled Ford F250 that was totaled in a crash, this truck once ran well with its inline-6 engine and manual transmission. It has 2 fuel tanks and rear-wheel drive. At $650, it is suitable mainly as a parts truck or for a serious budget restoration project. Number 16, 1976 Ford F100, $6,400, Ladera Heights, California. Owned by the same person for 20 years. This truck has undergone extensive maintenance, including a rebuilt engine and transmission, new brakes, fuel pump, shocks, ignition parts, and interior updates. With 74,000 miles, it runs perfectly and is a reliable daily driver. At $6,400, it is a solid classic Ford pickup. Number 17, 1979 Chevrolet LUV pickup, $9,500, Kennewick, Washington. A highly modified hot rod-style LUV with a 327 V8, turbo 400 transmission, shortened 8.8 differential, and upgraded suspension with coilovers and disc brakes. The motor is newly rebuilt but not fully broken in, with just 24 miles on the new speedometer. Still requiring some finishing work, it is priced at $9,500 as a unique performance pickup project.